Hey guys, and welcome to Naughty Level Creations. Today we are making a mechanical pencil, and I'll tell you why. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to be notified when I upload new videos, hit the bell notification. Alright, let's get this started. Alright guys, so there is this YouTube channel that I absolutely love to watch. It's called Worm Life. It's about guys that run a woodworking shop that make gaming tables and things like that. And it's a really good channel. Really enjoy watching it. And on top of it, I saw that they make a mechanical pencil. They actually make two mechanical pencils. I will flash them up here right now so you can see them. All right, guys. There is a flaw in both of these mechanical pencils that are absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful pieces of work. And if you didn't notice it, it's right there where you put your fingers to hold that pencil. That big, like, I don't even know what to call it. But it's like a big, huge mountain that they put where your fingers got to hold it. And me having big hands, that's not comfortable to hold even for a few seconds. To write with, it's awkward. And that's a problem. So, what I'm doing here is I'm actually making a similar style. And now this is actually a woodworker's mechanical pencil or artisan's mechanical pencil. And it is a similar, same size, everything like that, mechanical pencil. I would sell this one, which actually the kit is double the price of the mini sketch pencil, for a lot less money. And I can justify exactly why I am charging mine the way it is. And I can justify why what they're selling is way too much money for what it is. So I'm not knocking the quality of that pencil in any way, shape, or form. Like I said, it is a beautiful pencil, and I absolutely do love it for its looks. But its functionality, it's crap. Just a big pile of dung. So, me being a wood turner, I have to say something for the price that they're charging this for. Alright, so you guys are reading that right. $140 for a sketch pencil. That's how much it costs for the kit. $7.45. Whew. And then, like I said, what, $4.50, $4.95, $4.99. That's about what I normally find Madagascar ebony for. So, whew, it's a lot of money for that. Now, if this pencil was reasonably priced at, I understand this is a business and they got to pay their employees, plus they got to make a profit. If they were selling this for $75, they would still make a huge profit on that pen. Lo and behold, what we're watching is at 400%. I turned and finished this pen in under 20 minutes. Did you hear that? 20 minutes. You know, drilling out, putting blanks in, or putting the tubes in. It's not that hard. Doesn't take that much work. You know, say 25 minutes. That's 2 pencils an hour. And I'm sure they're not turning by hand like I am. But the biggest problem I have is the Slimline Funline mechanical pencil. That cherry one I showed you, they're charging $75 for. Mechanical pencil, Madagascar ebony, $160. For pens that or pencils or pens that we pretty much give away because they're such a crappy, just shit kit. It's just, they're horrible. They're the I'm starting to turn pencil pen kits. They're crap. And I get it. Yeah, they're making it one long piece of wood. You can buy a pack of 10-inch tubes, cut them in half for like $10. So that's 20 kits you can do that with. That's where I'm having a big problem. Huge problem is with their pricing. The other problem is they're not hand turned. These are made on a repeater. They might be made on a lathe. They might be hand finished, but they're not hand turned. If you guys notice, they're all exactly the same. Like, exactly the same. No craftsman can do that. I can't do that. And that's... Don't call them hand turned. They're hand finished. Anyways, enough of the bad. Wormwood makes beautiful, absolutely gorgeous stuff. I mean, yeah, you can find other high-end furniture, but you won't find furniture in dice vaults and just anything you find on their website. You're just not going to find a higher quality with the joinery and the glue ups and the finishing. It's just, they make a phenomenal product, and I really enjoy watching Worm Life. So I'm not bagging on them. I just want them to fix this and or address it. Just say something, you know. I just, as a artisan, a craftsman, a wood turner, a hobbyist. I don't do this for a living, guys. I don't do YouTube for a living. I don't have content like a lot of these guys out there, and that's fine with me. I don't update, I don't upload every week. I have a real job. I have things in my life that I have to go and do. And I really appreciate everybody that does watch this channel, that has subscribed and leaves me comments and asks me questions. I that's why I love YouTube. I love the interactions and just the process of making videos. So I didn't want to upset anybody. I definitely don't want to upset, when working in any way, shape, or form. Like I said, I love their work. I've seen some of their gaming tables in person, and just that, it just took the words out of my mouth. So thanks for listening to me rant. And again, subscribe if you like what I do around here. Give the video a thumbs up, or I'll probably get a lot of thumbs down on this one, but that's okay. The wormlings will be strong, I'm sure, if this gets out. But yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe out there. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right. Peace out.